I'm Hawambi, and today we're going to be building random stuff. Again, my name is Hawambi.
I couldn't help myself.
My name is Hawambi, and I love to live stream.
To do. I see your to-do list. Okay, you only have 2 things on your to-do list. Okay.
Yep. So let me show my to-do list. Tip GUI thingy and build shit. Okay, that is our goal today. So, yeah, we're gonna build shit. Dude, watch this, like, fancy plugin I got, dude. You see that little GUI? Watch. Oh!
I can see that. You can see it moving, you moving stuff around.
Yeah, dude, look at this. Oh! Here, you drag it around.
I don't have the plugin.
What a fag.
Because I do it manually. So I like to have precise...
You can move it around and then use precise measurements. It also, like, automatically snaps to stuff.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay, yeah, you're gay. Okay, but that's gonna be our frame. That's gonna have a background of
It's not even centered.
I know, I'm just putting it there so I can see it. Is that okay? I didn't think so.
Is there anything that you want me to do?
You can build shit.
I'm not a builder, I'm a scripter. Thank you.
Script these nuts then.
Okay.
The hell? What are you doing? That's annoying. I hate that. Okay, no. I need text scaled.
Look at the script I put in.
Where?
In
Workspace?
workspace, yeah.
Well, true do. Wait. Print these nuts.
Well, I just scripted these nuts.
Okay. I don't like that color. Ick. There's 7 people watching, but no one is chatting. What is wrong with you people?
Well.
Yes, I say you people because I am racist.
God damn.
Oh, I want to make a flashing animation for this. That'd look really sick.
I can do it.
No, I'm doing it. You already know how to script. I'm still learning the script.
I know. Well, give me something to do then.
Script whatever. I don't care.
I don't know what to do.
Go script the donkey.
I
I actually want to make this look really cool. Ooh, should I make each letter separate and then give it like a rainbow flashing effect? Nah, that'd be too much. But I'm
for you, that's too much for you.
No, I could do it. I'm just saying that'd be like too never mind. God damn. I'm thinking like if you have a huge game and you're sitting there making flashing text, that's kind of like overboard. So I'm just gonna I'm gonna do something fancy, okay?
I mean, yeah, glowing, changing colors, yeah, that makes that better.
What is
because
this?
it's not flashy.
Text transparency, no. Text stroke transparency, that's what I'm looking at. I'm gonna name this.
Well, what is the game that you're making anyway?
I'm just making like random stuff that could be put into a game, you know?
Oh, I can show you my chat. I have custom chat.
Cool, I don't care. I'm just kidding. You can show me, but I'm re-scripting for a second. So, tip. Oops. Oh, it's gotta be local. Local tip equals script parent. Cause I'm gay. Okay. Wow, true do. Wait, wait. 1.5 would be a good time. Tip dot text stroke transparency equals math dot random. Oh shoot, how do you, isn't it like you just separate it by commas for the numbers? How do you make like a range? Oh wait, I think I know.
It's between
Yeah, I got it.
X and Y.
Wait, did I do that right? I haven't taken math class, so I'm really dumb.
Alright, there. Cousin chat's in the game. If you want to check it out.
Okay.
Well, at least you can just look at it if you just run it. You can see how it works. But,
Oh, it worked?
yeah.
Wait,
What?
number 5.
Are you talking math this year? Or are you taking math this year?
Apparently. What kinds of games would you be working on in the future, Cookie, that you
Wait,
need some more?
did I do that wrong? Look in the script in the frame. Like, I just want to
Well, yeah.
range.
You have to close. Oh wait. never
Oh, wait,
mind.
hold on. I know what I did.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I need a
I know what
comma.
I did.
A comma.
No, I just need to go
greater
up to
than.
1. I don't know what I'm doing, because the transparency can't go over 1.
So just
Yeah, I did that right.
no, just don't put a number in there. Don't put a number in there
Oh, that's
because
wrong.
it'll give you then it'll generate a number between 0 and 1.
Oh.
Otherwise, if you put
okay.
numbers in, it only returns integers.
Oh. So this should be working. Yes, that's cool. Now I should make it so it like does other stuff.
Did
Let's
you
see.
see the chat? When
Yeah,
you ran it.
I saw the like, thing at the bottom. I didn't like use it though.
Ah.
I can change the color of the text stroke color 3. Tip dot text stroke color 3 equals, oh shit, how do you do this? Color 3 dot new, isn't it?
Yeah.
Or is it 3 dot new dot, or how do you make it random? I totally forgot how to use color 3.
Here. Do you want me to
Hold up, I'll look it up on Studio, or not Studio.
stop
Wiki.
editing and then I'll do it and then you can look at it when I'm done.
Hold up.
Because it only takes a moment. Or there's actually one way. There's a couple ways to do it.
Dot
You can
new.
do brick color dot random dot color. That works.
Oh, I can use brick color with this?
Yeah, because it's brick color dot random, which is
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
brick color.
How
And
do I
then
convert
you
color
do
3
dot-
to...
You convert brick color to color 3 by doing dot color.
Text stroke dot color?
No. Hold on. Let me I'll put a script in workspace to show you.
Okay. Shout out to Colin!
That color.
Outrageously, dude, I love you too. Totally. Colin, I gave you a shout out, dude.
Alright, look in the script. That's what you need to use.
So, what I do...
That'll return random brick color, and then turn it into a color 3.
Why is this saying that's an error? What?
What kinds of games would you be planning on making? And I can maybe make something for you for it, for whatever. Like maybe if you plan on making tycoons, whatever it may be. Like for example.
Sure.
MLG Simulator 2020.
Okay, I'm just gonna do it a different way. Oh, is it like for RGB? Does it go up to like 265?
255.
Okay, I thought it was like 256 or 2.
The 256 is actually 1 bit too much.
Yeah. Okay, my bad. I'm
That
gonna
would
make sure I do
be
this right.
10000. I think 255 is 4 bits. Is the maximum number for 4 bits. Actually, it might be 8 bit. I don't know.
Oh yeah, it works.
But if you're scripting it, it has to be between 0 and 1.
Alright, the way I did this, I think I did it right.
Well, I can't see the. Can you close it out so I can just see it?
Wait. Yeah, here. I'm just making random stuff right now. I'm making
Oh,
this thing.
you don't put the 250. You just keep like what you were doing in the previous thing.
Oh.
Like between 0 and 1, because it has to be between 0 and 1.
Well then, won't it just keep it at that color then?
Whatever you want.
Well, like how do I... Oh, okay, that works. Never mind. Okay, I don't use math.random that often, so okay, leave me alone. What other things could we do to it?
I mean, I could. Well, actually, no, never mind. We could make it so it kind of just slowly slowly changes colors, like to all the colors in the rainbow. Like slowly go in between each color.
Oh, like instead
red,
of just like
green,
automatic, it just like slowly changes?
Yeah, it just slowly changes. It's not random at all. It's actually in a set order.
Nah. I mean, it's just like this text stroke color changes.
That's all you're changing?
Well, I also have it changing the text stroke.
You can't make it change too fast because people with epilepsy might.
I have it set to 1.5 and it changes the transparency and the color. But I want to like make it look even better. Yes, the stream is delayed. I don't think it's 16 seconds, but it's delayed. If I turned off text scaled, I can make the text like go like different sizes.
That might look really silly.
Yeah, that's dumb. No, yeah, I'm sorry. Can you change font size or like the font in a script?
Yeah. But it might actually, again, look silly. It's the same as changing the size.
That's true. I'm just gonna leave that at Arial. Yeah, that looks cool. Okay, now I need to add the other text label, which goes like that. I actually want to put a little box around this. Watercolor of blue, would that look cool? Rip, it's not even showing. What's up, Alpha Gaming? How you doing? Foxy? That's Foxy2091. That's a great name. Okay, I'm just gonna make this. Actually, I'm gonna use one of the styles because I know there's a great style that I could use. Or styles. Am I blind?
Yes.
Isn't there a style for text labels?
No.
I swear there was.
Frames.
Frames have it?
Yeah.
Oh, I guess I'm just gonna make a separate frame for this. Because I know a great thing that would look good with this. Frame. Let me just remove this text label. Oh, that looks awesome. Hey! Don't do that. I want to bump that down just a little bit. The position. Oh, that's the wrong way. What? Oh, that's way too much. There we go. What's up, Grim Raider? What's up, Zombie Jammer?
Still trying to figure out what you like want to do. What you want me to make?
Make
Because I
anything.
could like
Just think of something cool and make it.
Donald Trump
Hey.
simulator.
Yeah, do
a
that.
what? A what simulator?
Donald Trump presidency simulator.
Yeah, build a wall. Go build a big ass wall. I should do the same color. I think it's this one. No, this one. One of these colors. Okay, I'm just gonna copy it. Let's see.
Here's a wall. You see my wall? It's very pretty, don't you think?
No, it's not.
What? Why
Let's,
not?
let's build a huge freaking wall.
What if I hollow it out?
Okay. I'm gonna do the same effect on this too. So I'm just gonna name it tip 1. Script parent parent, so that'd be on frame
Here's a very pretty wall now.
dot child frame dot text label. Okay, I did that right, yay. So I'm gonna do the same thing with this for tip 1. So let's see. On the wall. Yay, it works. Perfect. Now we're just gonna make a script that actually has the tips.
I built a wall. Does that make me Donald Trump now?
How true
Yeah.
do... Wait. Let me just set the X value up here. X equals 5. I think that's a good amount of time. Wait. Or no, I should... Wait, yeah, I should. Wait. X. tip1 dot text equals example tip1 weight x tip1 dot text example tip2. Okay, let's see.
I literally have no ideas.
Why did that not work?
Do you need me to take a look at it?
Wait, hold on. There's no errors. Oh, I can't have two loops, so I'm just gonna make this a separate script. Okay, that's what I'll do.
Actually, you can do 2 loops in 1 script.
What? Then why would I not change it?
Well, you just have to do something in order to make it work. You have to multi-thread it.
What the hell?
Or coroutine it.
I don't know what the hell that means.
There's a really easy way to do coroutines. You don't have to do the complicated coroutine.
Here, I'm gonna show you something.
Let me, hop in the script.
Okay.
Or not, it's not letting me because you're editing. Why do you keep, what's the point of the tip text, changing?
Cause it's gonna be like telling you tips about the game.
Oh. Okay.
So it's like, do this for a better result or something like that, you know? Gosh.
Ah. Function. I should have just made this super complicated just because I can. With coroutines. But nah, I'm just gonna make it the simplest possible way to do a coroutine.
Yeah, see, you're really
done.
ruffling my jimmies.
Why?
Cause my name's Harambe.
Harambe.
Harambe. My name's Harambe and this is Jackass.
Oh, I fixed it for you, by the way.
No, you didn't.
Oh, there. I forgot a parenthesis. There we go. Done. I didn't notice the red line.
I needed to start on a tip. Okay, so
I can make it, like, you can just insert everything to a table. I can make it cycle.
That's what I was thinking, is just make a table. But
probably the best way is they can keep adding more and more.
yeah, you want to make a table? Have fun. Make a table. Let me look at this.
In the script, right? You know, an array of texts.
Yes, just make a table.
Okay. Oh, you're not editing. Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna build something.
I can make it so it randomizes the tip every time, so it's not in the same order every time.
Can you do that?
Usually, what a lot of games would do.
Can you do that, but make it so it doesn't repeat tips?
Like back to back.
Yeah.
Like it doesn't do the same one twice.
Yeah.
Well, if you have a lot, then it's very unlikely. If you have like 3, yeah, it'll do it all the time. But yeah, I can do a check to see if it, so it'll do that.
Yeah, do that. I have an idea in mind. A way to make a really simple building. Yeah. What a nice looking building, huh?
I wish that you could see scripts being edited live. On
That would be
here.
awesome.
Yeah.
That's one thing I hope they do eventually add.
And maybe two people be able to work on the same script at the same time, like how Google Docs.
Yeah.
That's what they need.
Oh, is this thing not symmetrical? Wait. It is. Look. After this Phantom Forces, maybe that's not a bad idea. I was thinking of playing some Shell Shock Live too. I don't know. Should we do Phantom Forces or Shell Shock Live?
Obviously, Shell Shock.
Yeah. Actually, if we do Shell Shock, I'll make a Phantom Forces video tonight after the stream. How about that?
Yeah.
How about that?
Sure.
So I'm gonna group all this together. Just whatchamacallit, Union. That fancy thing. Building. Save to Roblox. Basic building.
Yeah, if you want this to work the way you need to have a lot of tips, like probably at least 10, if you're gonna use this. But yeah,
Well, then,
because it will get really repetitive. But
then yeah, just make it go in order. It doesn't really matter.
I already made it so it randomizes it.
Oh, okay, that's cool.
You can look at the script.
Yeah, I guess we can have a lot of tips. That's cool.
Yeah.
Wait, is that done?
What? Yeah, it works.
Let's see. Shell Shock, Phantom Forces. Tip 3. Tip 2. Tip 4. Yeah, okay, that works. Okay. Dark Derp. I think I'm gonna do Shell Shock Live for the live stream, and I'll make a Phantom Forces video after the stream. How's life? Life is great. What the heck is that? I'm just gonna remove that message. There we go. Okay. I want to change this a little, the title. So I feel like that could look better. I think I'm gonna make another frame for that. What's your object? Frame. Oops. So I can add a stinking style. Oh, this is gonna mess it up, isn't it? Yep. Ugh. Go in there.
I mean, what?
Script.parent. Parent. Parent. So I just gotta add a dot parent.
Yee.
Okay, make sure I didn't totally mess this up. No, okay.
Well, you did mess
Hey.
up the. You need to change that.
Change what?
Okay. Because if you do drop shadow.
I'm not using drop shadow.
Okay.
Oh, I'm changing the wrong one. I'm changing my stuff, dude. Gosh. When you're hiding in the call. Yeah, why aren't you talking?
What?
Because I'm eating crackers.
What? Oh, him.
Well then, eat crackers on stream. I'm sure chat will love.
Hey,
you
chat.
eating-
Crunch hype. Crunch hype.
I'm gonna set this index to 2. And move that like.
Did you say Zindex?
Yeah.
It's Z-index.
Does it look like I give a shit?
Yes.
Well, that's a no. You can't even tell. Should change the transparency this a little to like 0.75 or 0.25. Yeah, that looks better. And then just set it to custom 0.5. Your brother still has to subscribe? Okay. Yeah, tell your brother to subscribe, dude. Come on. Dark Derp, I'll do a Phantom Forces video tonight after the Shell Shock live stream, dude. Don't worry. Okay. That looks cool. I feel like I should make a change color of the text too. So I'm gonna
That
do
might
that.
just be too flashy.
Well, maybe I'll just make it like more delayed for the color. Do I need to have that like spawn function thing for this too?
That's how you do a coroutine or a multi-thread.
I don't know what the hell a multi-thread is.
It's so that you can do multiple loops together.
Okay, so I'm just gonna add it because why the hell not?
Just make another one.
True to wait 3, I think is a good amount of
So you
time.
subscribe? Yes.
Tip 1 dot
Oh no. That's...
color 3. Okay, now I'm just gonna copy this part because I'm not writing that out again.
That was
I'm gonna make it so-
comment, not cookie.
What?
So he's reading chat.
Wait, what? What's in chat? Hold up.
Somebody said if it asked if you should subscribe,
Oh yeah, totally.
and I said
Yeah,
yes.
people 17 people watching right now.
I think
Wait,
that is
how would I
enough
do
one
it
because I joined.
so I can make it so like both the title text, like tip, and the actual tip change to the same color? Could I just use and? Like tip one dot text color and tip?
You set it to a variable.
How the hell do I do that?
You set the color to a variable and then use them, and then just set.
Oh, and set both of them to that color?
Yeah.
Okay. I know how to do that. X equals...
Because it was done. Done with what? 2 hours left. 3 hours of shell shock. Okay. Then 1 hour of blowjob simulator. I mean, what?
Oh my god.
I'm in stay 1 hour of Crunch Simulator.
Okay, make sure I did this
Crunch
right.
time.
Well, this isn't really crunch time because we're on our own time.
Yeah.
It's like you're hacking something. No, this is far from hacking.
Oh gosh, why is that tip thing changing so fast?
What time do you have it set at?
I use the same variable. I'm so used to using X.
Well, that would... Of crunch hype.
It's not setting them both to the same color. Why is that? Tip? Oh, I have it both to tip 1. That's why.
It's no game right now. You're just making little things that you can add in future games. At least that's what he said.
Oh, what game am I making? Oh, I'm just working on like random stuff that could be used for a game. This looks
exactly
cool.
what I just said.
I like that. It only changes every 3
This is
seconds.
Roblox, Bloodhound. He's just programming on Roblox.
Lua.
Hey, watch your
It's
language.
programming.
Oh, I should
It's
also
actually
make
not
them.
Lua. It's not Lua. It's Roblox Lua. There's a difference.
I'm gonna make them set to the same thing for the whatchamacallit. Shit. What am I saying? Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna do it.
It's not even a game. It's just
C equals. No, I gotta do this.
you do X and Y. I usually don't do one-letter variables unless I'm doing indexes or loops.
I could just use that.
And I usually use X, Y, Z, I, V, and W.
Text transparency. I think I spelled that wrong. I don't care. No, just B. Damn. Oh, that needs to be text stroke.
Somebody's asking how long it takes to make retail videos.
Depends on like the type of video. Like a speed build? Like that's what my most popular things are, so I'm guessing you mean that. Text stroke color is not a valid number. What is it then? Shit.
Dude, you don't have to
Oh, it's text stroke color 3.
ask that in chat.
I don't know if I like it.
I mean, he's gonna hear
Speed
Cookie's
build, okay.
response.
Then it would be, depending on how long the build is, like let's say the build was 10 minutes, so obviously it takes 10 minutes to record that. And then editing Probably 5 to 15 minutes, depending on how much like editing I actually do. Like sometimes I'll add more than other times. Like this one time I added like fireworks to the beat of the music. That took a little bit longer than other stuff. This looks cool. Oh, I should have it.
I'm pretty sure he usually is on a VIP server.
Should I make the tips change every 3 seconds so that it changes like the same time the color does?
Maybe, yeah, that might match it up. And then you can just put it all in one loop at that point. Might as well just do it in one loop. Instead of doing separate ones if they're all going to be timed the same.
Well, I'm too lazy to change it. Or should I make the tip time down to 3?
Because then it might actually not sync up because weights are random.
Yeah.
If you do in the command line, do print weight, and you'll see it's always different. So it might desync, and it'll just look weird.
Okay, yeah, I'll just add this into here. Then I can just remove this. That should also help with lag. I mean, not like a lot, but yeah. So I'm gonna see how this looks at 3. And then I should just have the other thing be 3 too, I guess. So just throw this in the same loop. I'm gonna move this down just so it looks better. So now I can remove that too. Okay, let's see how this looks. Donating money has been confirmed never going to be added. Alright, just gonna make that clear.
Though nobody... Wait. Oh, on retail. Okay.
Yeah.
I was like, what? What are you talking about?
Yeah.
He's making a tip thing for games that just cycle through tips.
Okay, that's a lot
idea
better. That's a lot more efficient now. By just giving it all at the same time, and that honestly looks a lot better.
Yeah, it makes more sense. You can probably make it the wait longer if you have really long tips, but
well, I don't think they're gonna be that long. And honestly, after you're done playing the game for like 10 minutes, the tips won't really matter to you. Like, let's just be honest here.
yeah.
It's just kind of a nice touch to have.
And it shouldn't be big. It should be like really kind of small.
It is. It's gonna be small. This is just an example size.
This is actually, yeah. It's actually quite big.
Yeah, I'll probably make it like skinnier, but for now...
Imagine if it took up half the screen, like, hey, here's the tips.
I could animate this. I should do that.
Like how? What do you mean?
Like when you
Like
start the
tweens?
game... Yeah, tween.
I didn't know if that's what you meant.
Yeah.
Like if you wanted to tween them. He's just making random things that he can put into a game. He doesn't have a camera, dude.
I think I actually already have a
Well, he
training
might,
script.
but he doesn't have one hooked up to his computer.
No, I don't have a face cam.
I'll send you a camera.
Alright.
I mean, technically, you can probably use like your capture card on and use the camera on your phone or something.
Oh shit, I could do that.
Yeah. Of course, you'd have to have a mount for your phone to sit on.
Yeah, that's true. And it's not the most high quality thing ever. Okay, I actually think I have a script. Let me look real fast. Because if I do, I'm just going to use that.
Your messages should show up. See, it's up there now.
Yeah, your messages go on screen, dude. It's cool. You know?
There's a stream delay. It's not instant, dude.
Yeah.
I mean, for his side, his OBS will see it instantly, but because there's like a
There's a delay.
There's about a 10-second delay.
Okay, let me go to this.
But-
Oh shit.
Hi.
What?
Hi.
That's random.
Just say hi.
Hi.
Okay. Hi.
Somebody's saying hi in chat.
Oh, okay.
Hello, party zebra.
Okay, here we go. I found it. I'll just put this.
Have you ever considered Minecraft? Look on his channel. He just uploaded a Minecraft video today.
That
He just
parent.
started doing Minecraft.
If you say my username,
Script. That parent. That
if you
parent.
say my name username, my life will be good. I'm not saying it.
That parent. That parent. That parent.
I don't think that's true though. I mean,
Script. That parent. That parent.
from what I've
that
heard,
parent.
Broncos suck. I mean, what?
Okay, I think I did that right. Hopefully, I
Okay.
did. Oh gosh, what the fuck?
It's called.
It's called model testing, or something like that.
Oh gosh.
What is it called?
Oh yeah, this needs to
Wasn't
be.
called anything. Am I supposed to be here? Yes. What was that? I was just watching your stream. What was that?
That's my really bad animating skills.
Wait,
I
did
missed
that
it.
wrong.
replay that. Yeah, I missed it.
Hold on, I'm fixing it.
Hello, world. Hello, Christian. Or- Christian.
Why is that an error? I don't get this. Oh, cause that's there.
I see no animation.
Hold on, Jesus. What the That is not what was meant to happen. Was it changing the... Oh, I just needed to tween position, not size. Oh, that's why.
Whoa, that was really bad.
Yeah.
What the heck?
I need to kind of string the
Ah.
token. Huh? Can you just tween
Can you-
position? Yeah.
Can you join the game, Brandon? No, you cannot.
Then do tween position.
Oh, I only
you
need...
you only put one
Yeah.
size in.
It did tween size and position, that's why I did that.
You need to remove one of the
I did, hold on, hold on. God-
mediums. Okay.
I changed it from tween size and position to just tween position. Now it didn't do anything, but there's no errors. I hate that.
Can you come test the game? No, you cannot. From what I
It's
know.
not even a game yet.
Yeah.
It's literally just he's just creating little things that he wants to put in games in the future.
I didn't say anything about the Broncos. What?
I just said something about the Bronco.
Oh, what'd you say?
I said they suck.
Okay, I'm gonna sound so dumb, but who are the Broncos?
It's a football team. I'm not even a football fan, and I know that. Okay.
It must be some American football team.
Oh, it needs to start somewhere
yeah.
else, and then it goes to that spot. Okay.
The Denver Broncos.
So I'll start the position. Actually, I'll just start it there and then have it end at 0.
I'm not even a football fan, and I know
0.
what the Broncos are, so I wouldn't know if
That
Broncos
way
are
it's
good or
like
not.
centered.
So
So I'm actually gonna publish this because with Studio you can't see it fully because it's gay like that.
it'll automatically publish with Team Create,
I'm just gonna publish it. Just to be
or you
safe.
can just do Alt P. and
I
it'll
published it. Okay, good.
Okay.
Set this to active. Let me join. Set OBS to that.
It's a one-player server.
I didn't even look at it. Oops. Let me join again. I just turned on monitor capture while I do this. So I'm lazy. That did not work. There's no errors. Why you do this? Let me read this. Oh, that was like instant.
Okay, I take it back.
I shouldn't use sliding.
Because I don't know about football, so.
What other ones are there? I swear they had like a thing with examples on all the
It
tweening.
was meant to be. The Broncos for life. It was meant to be a troll. It was meant to mess with you, not meant to be serious.
Oh, here we go. This is what I'm looking at. Okay, I want to use linear. That looks cool. Oh, that looks badass. I hear click play. Let me know what you think.
Okay.
You like it?
I don't know. I mean,
It's alright.
it's a little big.
Well, yeah,
Yeah.
but okay, I'm just gonna resize it now.
Yeah.
Other than that, it's pretty good. Are you recording? Well, he's live streaming and it'll be uploaded, so you could say.
I'm also okay. So I'm gonna set this to 20.
Hi, Reagan. I don't even know who Reagan is.
300.
Ronald Reagan.
That's way too small.
Well, I don't know if that's the Reagan that they're talking about. That's the thing.
Well, let's just assume that is for the banter.
I know that needs to be a little bit smaller. So that should be like 27. Okay, what do I need to adjust this? I didn't change this. Oh, what did I set this to? 500. Oh gosh, I need to.
This is where the plugin fails.
Nope, this is where the plugin works. Watch it again, bud. Or just keep watching. I shouldn't say watch it again. Okay, but I actually want this to be longer.
There's no way to get Robux for free
you
besides
can.
doing stuff on this site. Like,
Ding dong.
I mean, technically, you get free Robux by having Builders Club, but technically it's not free because you're paying for it.
I'll make a video on how to get free Robux.
Yeah, there's ways, but like not like through like the site. Yeah, not escaping that Robux. Yeah, don't trust websites. That's all I'll tell
Okay,
you.
I'm not saying go to a website like freeroblox.com, but if you go to websites, I actually have one, and if you use my code, you get free points. You just gotta like watch videos and like download apps, and you earn points, and then you can use that to get like gift cards, PayPal, stuff like that.
Those are completely fake.
Those are not fake.
Yes, they are.
No, they're not.
They're fake, dude.
I've used them all the time, and I use one right now.
Because whenever you do them, they, like, right before you're able to get it, they ask for a survey that never works.
No, that's not. I've used so many of them. I've used free my.
Either that, or they ask for personal information to your account.
No, they don't.
They do. That's exactly what they do to try to steal your account.
Do I really need to show you right now?
Hey, what did I say about today?
Who's that?
My mom's yelling at me. God damn it. Fucking shit.
Why is she yelling at you?
'Cause school is starting soon.
Ooh.
Okay, that looks cool. Let's take a look at this. Oh, that looks awesome. Okay. I think that looks amazing.
It's a little slow.
The animation?
Yeah.
I'll set it to like 2.5. Let's see how that looks. See, that's fast.
Hello!
Let me do 3. Okay. Yeah, I like 3.
Oh look, come on, stop.
Okay. I think that looks fine. Okay. Delete. Okay, so we did the tip GUI thingy. Build shit. Let's build shit. What are we gonna build?
Shit.
It'll
Alright.
get stinky, guys, so beware.
Let's make a turd. I'm just kidding. Oh. Oh, let's see how this chat works. Derp.
Are you looking at that?
Yeah. Hee 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 hee. Hew 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 hew.
You won't understand any of it.
Blah 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 blah. Okay, it looks cool. Let's see. Oh damn, yep, not gonna even try to understand that.
It only took me a couple hours to do.
Okay. I think that's it for this stream. That was fun, just kind of making random stuff. Don't you
There
agree?
was only one. I only succeeded in making one thing. I mean, what?
What'd you make?
Made a wall.
I made a wall.
You helped me with the tips, that's cool. Okay, but that's gonna be it for this stream. Hold on, I gotta get ready to like cue the outro. Oh, wait. Okay, cue the outro now.
Good.